A very warm welcome to everyone watching this video. I'm Shrija and today I'm here to demonstrate an exciting AI application which I have built using Google Generative AI and Streamlit. And the application is MultiLanguage Invoice Extractor. So basically this application, automates the invoice processing, making it especially valuable for companies who are dealing with international clients and vendors, and it also provides efficiency and reduces the manual effort across various sectors. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's move on to our application here. And this is the multi-language invoice extractor. So let me upload an invoice image. I have downloaded some of the images from internet. Let me upload it here. And as you can see, this is the invoice image. So let's write a query here now. What is the bill number? Okay. Let me hit on this button, analyze invoice, and let's see whether it answers correctly or not. So it's saying that it is A17737. Let's verify it here, and it's correct. So as this one is a multi-language invoice extractor, let's try with some other, language. Let me try Hindi, and here I'm uploading it here, and this is the Hindi one. So as you can see here, Dinank is there. So this is Hindi. Let me ask what is the date. Okay, let's see whether this will answer correctly or not. What is the date? Analyze invoice. Wow. As you can see, it has analyzed perfectly. So that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are interested in learning more about how AI can transform businesses, then feel free to connect with me.